Zundapp Janus 1957 to 1958. The Zundapp Janus was a microcar model made by Zundapp in Germany between 1957 and 1958, the only car ever built by the company. Claude Dornier was always trying to minimize the dependency of his company Dornier Flugzeugwerk on building aircraft, by diversification into other areas. After World War II, and the Allied ban on aircraft production in Germany until the late 1950s, Claude diversified the company's production and encouraged his son Claudius to find new areas. As a result, Claudius designed and developed a four-seater car, where the two front and two rear passengers sat back to back, for optimal use of the enclosed space. A prototype was built and tested, which was named Dornier Delta. The company had not built a car before, and economic calculations shows that the volume of sales required would make it uneconomical for the company to make the car using its existing facilities. Zundapp was a motorcycle maker, but in 1954 decided to make a more weatherproof vehicle. They looked for partners who could design such a vehicle, and approached Krabuth, BRTSCH, and Foldamable before settling on the ready-developed vehicle from Dornier. Under a commercial agreement, Dornier licensed Zundapp to produce and market the car. Further developed using Zundapp's engineering input and envisaged as a quality bubble car, the novel developed design featured a front opening door for access to the front seat, as well as a rear opening door for access to the rear-facing rear seat. This coming or going design was given the name of the Roman god, Janus, usually pictured having two faces, one looks forward while the other one looks back. The car was powered by a mid-mounted two-stroke, single-cylinder, 245 cubic centimeters, 15.0 cubic inches, engine unique to the Janus, developing 14 horsepower, 10 kilowatts, enabling a top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour. The front suspension was of the leading arm type that proved to be very comfortable. In the rear the car had a swing axle, and then the company added 4 individually mounted ventilated brake drums, operated via hydraulics. Production started in June 1957. However, whilst in racing and sports cars the mid-engine configuration leads to optimal car handling, the engine in the Janus was much lighter than the rear passengers, leading to a variable center of gravity. Secondly, the car lacked the most modern elements seen on competitors' cars, and was not low-priced. These factors combined to result in a lack of sales success, with only 1,731 cars being made in the first 6 months. By mid-1958, having made only a total of 6,902 cars, Zundapp abandoned the project and sold the factory to Bosch.